Hello everyone, myself Himanshu Dhupia. I welcome you at Universal Group of Institutions, Bangalore. Today we're going to solve the 35th question of UPSC CSE 2025 examination prelims, and we have already solved the 34 questions. So please go check them out. Okay. So question is, which one of the following launched the Nature Solutions Financial Hub for Asia and Pacific? Answer is ABD, AIIB, NDB or IBRD. See, answer is Asian Development Bank. ADB is the right answer. See, ADB was launched. Basically, this Nature Solutions Financial Hub was launched by Asian Development Bank. It was launched at COP28, Conference of Parties 28 in Dubai. The goal was that $2 billion for nature-based solutions and $1 billion for risk mitigation. Generally, we get confused. So $1 billion is for the risk mitigation, not for the NBS, nature-based solution. For nature-based solution, uh, expenditure was $2 billion. And what are the tools used? Guarantees, blended finance, and impact-linked instruments. So these are the instruments. Now, thing is that students, when you approach such type of questions, okay, you knew about the ADB, okay, Asian Development Bank. But what about Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank? What about New Development Bank? What about International Bank for Reconstruction Development? Because next time the question can be asked from these three. That's what we're going to solve. So first, let me tell you about the Asian Development Bank, established in 1966. Headquarter is in Manila, Philippines. Membership, 68 countries are the members. What is the main objective? Asia Pacific region, promote social and economic development. India's status, we were the founding members of Asian Development Bank. Okay, what are the major sectors is fund? Infrastructure, education, energy, climate change, and health. What is voting system? It based on the capital subscription, and Japan and USA are the top shareholders in Asian Development Bank. Recent initiative launched the Nature Solutions Financial Hub. That is the question all about COP28. That's what I'm saying. This particular prelims paper is from 2025, but which COP they are asking questions from? COP23. Okay, so at least 2-3 COP we should have on the tips what exactly happened there. Okay, and very important fact, Asian Development Bank is a non-UN regional development bank. It's not sponsored by United Nations at all. That is our Asian Development Bank. Then comes our New Development Bank. So New Development Bank was formed by BRICS nations. BRICS: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Okay, what was the name of the declaration, students? Fortaleza Declaration in 2014. Okay, remember. It began operation in 2015. It is commonly known as BRICS Bank also. So New Development Bank is also known as BRICS Bank. Headquarter is in Shanghai, China. What is the main objective? Obviously, development projects in BRICS. What is the government and voting system? It is having a most unique feature like equal capital contribution and voting rights. All will contribute equally in the financially also, and they will have the equal voting rights also. Okay, and no country has the veto power. That's the most important thing here. Also, the New Development Bank has expanded beyond its founding members, like Bangladesh, United Arab Emirates, Uruguay, and Egypt are also the part of New Development Bank. Okay, and what is the India's status? Obviously, India was the founding member with equal partnership rights. Okay, and in New Development Bank have the regional offices in every country. So in India, it is in Gift City, Gujarat. Okay, important facts you have to understand, that it emphasizes on local currencies. That's why it is in news again and again. Donald Trump is threatening the BRICS countries the additional tariffs because of this thing only, because they are focusing on, they're emphasizing to finance the project in local currencies of the BRICS nation, and that what America is not liking. And it is a significant development of South-South cooperation. You have to remember that thing. Okay, so this is our New Development Bank. Then comes our IBRD, International Bank for Construction and Development. It was established in 1944. Okay, at the Bretton Woods conference. During that time, IMF was also established. in 1944 only. That's why it is called as Bretton Woods twins, means World Bank and IBRD. You have to remember that. Okay, fine. So we can say that it is the original and main lending arm of World Bank. World Bank is a big bank. So who lends the money to other countries from the World Bank? Answer would be IBRD, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. Where is the headquarter of this bank? USA. You have to remember. Okay. Now, or we can say this is important thing, the World Bank generally refers to IBRD plus International Development Association. When we combine these, generally these are called as the World Bank only. Main objective was to finance the construction of the nations devastated by World War II. Currently, to reduce the poverty in middle income and credit worthy low income countries by providing what? Loans, guarantees, and analytical services. Membership: to become a member of IBRD, a member must first be the member of IMF, International Monetary Fund. Okay. Now, voting system: in new development bank, every country was having equal rights, but in IBRD it is based on the subscriptions, means how much capital subscriptions a country is holding on the basis of that. So obviously United States is the largest shareholder. That's why the voting power of United States is more in the IBRD ultimately from the IMF. Okay, you have to understand that. India's status: a founding member of IBRD. Okay, fine. You please read all these things out. Okay, so that is about all about this particular question. Okay, I hope you understood that. So this is how you should solve any question, students. Okay, so I will come with a 36th question. See you in the next one. If you like this video, if you like this explanation, make sure you like the video, comment, and make sure you share this video with everybody. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.